Are you also running a retail store and receiving multiple message inquiries from your users at the same time? Responding and managing all these messages manually can be a time-consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, we are going to build an automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your business by using an automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. Yes, so this is the AI assistant that we are going to build in this video. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can create this WhatsApp AI assistant, let me give you a quick overview of how it will work in real time. By sending a simple hi message to this AI assistant, as soon as I send message, immediately you will see the AI assistant will reply to me like this, that hello, welcome to Trend Cart Fashion Store. How can I assist you today? Now I am sending a message to this AI assistant that share me the product categories. Once I send the message, then you will see it shares me all the types of product categories including their pricing too. Now I am sending a message as store timings. Then you will see it shares me the timings of the store. The next question I am sending is, do you provide home delivery? Then it replies to me like this, that yes, we do provide home delivery. Now I am asking one last question to this AI assistant, that share me the written policy. Then it replies to me like this. So yes, this is the exact automated WhatsApp AI assistant we are going to build in this video without writing a single line of code. But before we move ahead, I just want to share something extremely valuable with you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount for both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now without wasting any time, let's start building the creation of the AI assistant from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chartflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options named as WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. You can check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow named as Inbox, Contacts, Team Queues, Templates, Broadcast, Flows, AI Assistant, Activity Log, WhatsApp Payment and Settings. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I will click on this AI assistant. After that, you will come in this page where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus ID assistant button. Then it will ask me to give the name to the AI assistant that I am going to give as Retail Stores Boosting Sales with AI Product Assistant. Here I want you to know that we are going to build a WhatsApp AI assistant for retail stores, but whether you run a real estate, office based or any other business, you can customize the same AI assistant for that too. The logic will be the same. After giving the name to the AI assistant, I will click on this plus ID assistant button. Now this is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instruction type that I'm going to select as AI agent. See, instructions defines how the AI should behave and how it will reply to your user. In simple words, these are the rules that AI assistant need to follow while replying to your users. You can also make changes in this instructions if you want to. Next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives flexible and creative replies. Here I'm going to set the temperature as 0.5. Next I'm going to select the AI model provider as OpenAI. After that, the model I'm going to select as GPT-4o Mini. Next it will ask you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to click on this OpenAI API keys page link. After that, you will become in this OpenAI platform where you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional, you can give it if you want to. Next, the project I'm going to select as default project and the permission I'm going to set as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button and see. I got my API key, so I'm copying it from here and going to paste it in this field. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button and see. It says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with some options. The first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation. It is usually used for welcome message or short introduction. So if you want to add it, then you can add in this box. Next one is the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation, as it is usually used for thank you messages or contact information. Next one is the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, you have entered the stop keyword here as stop, and the user will send this keyword to your AI assistant while communicating with them. Then automatically your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. Here I am not adding any stop keywords. Next one is the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user if something goes wrong. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if AI assistant fails to respond due to some technical error such as API key problem or the connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user's WhatsApp account for the better conversation. Now I am moving forward to the knowledge source where you have to upload the knowledge source file. Now what is knowledge source? So knowledge source is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge source file, the AI assistant will give business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge source, AI assistant gives general responses. As we are creating an AI assistant for retail stores, that's why I have already designed one knowledge base file. See, this is the knowledge base file that I have designed for this trend card fashion store. Here I have added all the related details about this store, that is the product category, store timing, delivery and pickups related information, and some FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. You can make more changes in it completely based on your choice. Here my objective is just only to teach you how you can create an AI assistant by using an automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. So here you just have to download this knowledge base file in .pdf format, and until it gets downloaded, I just want you to know that the size of your knowledge base file should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. As you can see that the knowledge base file is successfully downloaded, so I am dragging it and dropping it here and see how easy the knowledge base file gets uploaded. Now I am moving forward to the assistant interface where you can design your AI assistant by making changes on each of these fields. First, I am going to enter a heading as AI assistant for retail stores, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So this is the final look of your AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Next, the subheading I have written as we are online and happy to assist you, as it is showing here too. And the initial message I have write that hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can also disable it from here if you want to. After that, the footer text I have written as privacy and policy, and also added the footer link to. And the user first message is written as I need help, that I'm going to replace with hello. Here I have set it. Now the next one is the styling, where you can style your AI assistant by changing its themes, colors, shapes from here. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my AI assistant should becomes active, and clicking on the save AI assistant button. See, this is how easy you can design the AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow. Next one is the embed option. With the help of this option, you can access the same AI assistant inside your website or any other applications too. Once you click on this button, the system will gives you the code of this AI assistant, and you just have to copy the code and paste that code inside your website, and this AI assistant is going to be appear into your websites too. After doing the complete setup of AI assistant, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. I am opening this in a new tab. So see, this is the inbox settings where you can enable and customize automatic responses to WhatsApp messages. Yes, here you just have to scroll down and you will see an option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this enable AI auto replies toggle and select the contact list from here. On warm, you have to set your AI assistant. Here I am going to select the contact list as all contact and selecting the AI assistant as retail stores boosting sales with AI product assistant that we have have designed recently. After that, I will click on the saved button and see the inbox setting is saved successfully. Now, if you want to set your AI assistant for any specific user, then you just have to click on this inbox option. After that, select the contact on whom you have to set your AI assistant. Next, choose the AI assistant from here by enabling this toggle and select it from this drop down. Here I'm going to select the AI assistant. Next, I will click on the save button and see this is how easy you can assign the AI assistant to any specific user. Now the creation of our AI assistant is completed. This automated AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this without you touching your phone. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Or if you want me to create a specific AI assistant for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial on it too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.